Hello, everyone. I'm Jim Longworth, and welcome to another edition of Triad Today. It's when people say, who's the greatest coach ever? We got him with it right here. And he's with two friends of ours, David Daggett, Griff Shuler from Daggett Shuler. They've brought along a special guest, Coach Bill Hayes, Hall of Fame football coach, Winston-Salem State, Wake Forest, A&T. Good to see you, Coach.
Man, great to be here this morning.
Coach, hold on just a second. I'm going to ask David something first. Okay. David, in honor of Black History Month, here you show up with your friend. You went to church with them together, I think, last week. Your friend, Coach Bill Hayes, who is not, it's not about Black history. He is a big part of all history. What does Coach Hayes mean to you personally?
Well, I've known Coach Hayes for about 40 years. We've weaved in and out in different organizations, different venues, different places. And I have always been honored to be in his presence. I'm going to tear up right now. He is a living legend.
He really is.
I don't care the color. Yeah. He is a living legend, and I'm just proud to have him as a friend.
Griff, you competed in college athletics at the highest level. What does it mean to you? What does the coach's career mean to college athletics?
Well, he's a legend and he's a trailblazer. In the early 70s, running back coach for Wake Forest University, one of the first African-American coaches in the Atlantic Coast Conference. Went on from there, won conference titles at Winston-Salem State University, won conference titles at North Carolina A&T.
Right.
Sent a number of athletes on to the NFL and the CFL. Just an amazing legend, amazing trailblazer.
Coach, you and your wife started a foundation. Tell me just a few seconds about the foundation and what's the mission. Who does it help?
Bill and Carolyn Hayes Foundation. Sole purpose is I don't ever want anybody at small schools to have to suffer financially like we did, trying to build a program and trying to participate at a high level. It takes money to do it. We had very little. We found ways to do it in spite of. And so when I retired, I said I was going to do everything I could do to find the resources to help these coaches with scholarships and other things that I fought to get. They're real difficult. But so it's been a joy for me in the last 4 years to do the Bill and Carolyn Hayes Foundation.
I know that you made a statement one time about the fact that you had to teach class in the daytime, and then as it got to the afternoon, you did football.
Well, no question about it.
And so in that sense, coaches have always been teachers anyway. You're a teacher.
Coaching is teaching. In fact, coaches probably are the best teachers because we have all kinds of strategies to make our players learn. See, we can't afford mistakes. We got to make 100. If we make an 85, we're gonna lose a game.
Yeah,
so we got to score 100.
What do you think, very quickly? What do you think about the this whole paying high school, even high school, college players, portals? My nephew's a coach at Division I, and they're paying for players. What do you think about all that?
It's a little bit past with my whole. I just can't get with it, and that's because I came in at a different time. We never had a full complement of scholarship, much less paying the guys for scholarship.
Yeah.
You know, I got to try to find them. You know what? It was 60 scholarships in Division I when I was coaching, and we never had but 50 and won championships anyway. So we had to find a way to win. You know, we didn't have to find the money to pay people. Right. We had to find a way to win, which, in my opinion, is completely different.
Yeah. What do you do if the Rams or A&T is playing Winston-Salem State in a game sometime? Who do you pull for?
I don't. I don't. You know, I have a lot of fun watching, and I'm proud of what we were able to do. You know, when I look at the Detroit Lions, and the general manager is one of my players, my defensive end, the assistant general manager is one of our players, and the defensive line coach is one of my players. In fact, he just got a job with the New England Patriots as defensive coordinator. So I got guys do all kind of amazing things all over this country.
You have people that admire you from all over the country too. Up on the screen, I want to do something for the coach and his wife Carolyn. Go to billhayes.org, and that gets you to information about the foundation. It's billhayes.org. And also, if you need to, please visit daggettshulerlaw.com or call the guys at 724-1234. We're out of time. David, one quick thought.
Well, we saw a small glimpse. This man has changed lives for generations. You've changed mine. Thank you, Coach.
All right. Good job. Thanks a lot.